Mark Polk with RV Education 101.
As part of our RV interior makeover on our fifth wheel destination camper, we wanted to add something that reminds us of the beach. We found these whitewashed wood planks and thought it would be perfect on a couple of accent walls in the RV. Let's get started.
The first step is to order the wood planks. If you search online, you will find all kinds of reclaimed wood planks. Some are peel and stick, and others will require some type of attachment to the wall. Next, determine how many planks you need to order for your project. Just measure and multiply the wall's length and height. Add a little extra to compensate for waste. In our case, one box of planks will cover 10 square feet, so we ordered 6 boxes for the job. Start by removing everything from the walls that can be removed. Turn the power off when you work around electrical outlets and fixtures. We thought it would be easier to remove the valance too. Next, clean the wall surface with a mild household degreaser.
The wood planks are thin and lightweight, which is great for use in an RV. The plan is to cover 2 accent walls in the RV with the wood planks. Let's check in to see how that goes.
We are installing the planks horizontally, so the first step is to use a level and draw a line on the wall for the starter plank. We are starting in the middle and working our way out. To adhere the planks to the wall, we are using liquid nail and short staples in the air gun. When you use liquid nail, just run 3 small beads across each plank. A limited number of staples will assist in fastening the planks to the wall and allowing time for the liquid nail to set. You want to randomly stagger the joints to make the planks look natural on the wall. When you cut the planks, a table saw is preferable to get straight cuts, but you can use just about any wood saw you have. Use a square to make straight lines. Let's see how the rest of this installation goes. We want our first row to be level and straight, so all of the subsequent rows will be straight. Just stagger the planks and work from the center to each side. When you get to the end, top, or bottom of a wall, the planks need to be cut to fit.
That's the exact look we were going for. This was not a very difficult weekend job. If you plan the job and take your time, your accent walls can be covered in your favorite reclaimed wood too. Now when we are relaxing in the RV, the accent walls will serve as a constant reminder that we are at our getaway camper at the beach. Don't miss the next episode of our RV interior makeover when we install new luxury woven vinyl flooring in the RV. And remember, when you want to learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit RVonlinetraining.com. Happy camping!